Ikaunu Moracha Primary School.
E district angol Neseabu ko pedo ai jililiun Isomeroi ngul ko toma Aboliasio nuda esipe jot e districta ko kiere SS. Aboliasio nu aparasha kany nesida potu Isomeroi nu emoriartos kiere SS Kasilo High School St. Elizabeth kide tok Ekekeu notor pape I champions nu abolia kangin.
When you are given an opportunity to be in a school team, please be mindful that the school is making a big sacrifice to invest in you. Please get started with that talent and ensure that that talent grows. Now for you, you have become heroes. Unfortunately, all girls will be admiring you, the boys. And for you, the girls, all boys will be admiring you and want to associate with you. And that is how your talent can die.
Joseph Ojo loda ngarni kit Aboliasio toko Serere ngesi keuntebe iponesho nesi iche kotomoboro nuda ibusa kit Aboliak ai topolorit.
Discipline is the key to success. If you want to succeed in your career, show good word in discipline. Do not deviate from discipline and begin doing other bad things.
Iche kotomo Isomeroi luda pedo e district alo Serere ai jililun kesimore arto Kamod High School kiere Township Kagwara Seed kiere SS St. Elizabeth Girls Ojetenyang Kadungulu Kamod keda Serere SS kese pote aboikin e districta kotoma Aboliasio kangun a minister na ichorin Helen adoa abeku na ada golo kini ai riamuno ngin ngese abu ilip atumunak around luda itopoloritos ai napakina kotoma Aboliasio kangun.
Number 1, congratulations. Mama pata na ipete mopira akolongana agolokini Isomeroi o Sudan na rai adola kolongi diguri saka isangona lokai ido nine era ka isaunia luka nyoni so ija ipete mopira mwana kolong between midday and 3. It is not easy. So we have to thank these children and clap for them.
Aboliasio nu katezo zone nesie pote ai tegiar aparan kanao ngonet ko districta Lokongora. Gabriel Kanu TV East ko districta Lokongora.